So this is a Boss Plow. It's the one that's supposed to have a poly like blade. The guy that had this replaced it with stainless steel. There are some problems with it. This here is cracked. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's cracked. It needs to be cleaned up, re-welded together. On the bottom, some rust here. Went and looked at the newer plows, and they actually have this bottom part hollowed out. Instead of plating this back together, just reinforce the top, like from here over. And I'm gonna do that probably on the whole thing. And I think that will solve our problem. So that way, and I'll repaint it and stuff and grind it as best I can, tighten all these bolts up, maybe get some new ones. Aftermarket plug on it. I bought a new one of these because this one is junk. I think we're gonna get some new headlights. That's broken, and also that's cracked. There's a mouse. It must have had a little nest up in there and it shaved some of the wire. We're starting to grind some of this back, and I ground a little bit there just to see where we're at. So I'm trying to fix this part. So I cut that open. It's definitely pretty bad, so I'm gonna vacuum that all out. This was cracked, so I'm trying to fix it. I'm gonna put more steel over this too. And then I reinforced it with another piece of steel. I cut these little slits in it to bend it. I ran a big bead all the way down. Going to take another piece of steel and run it all the way down. And we have the piece of steel here. I welded it in here. I left the bottom open. I don't think there's any more spots on the frame that's messed up that I have to do. That's it all done. So I replaced almost all the bolts, and then I painted the back, but I painted it all black. And then that's the section I welded, and on the bottom all the way, I put those headlights on. I ran the harness. So we got both of them. We got this one and that one. I replaced these. I painted the whole thing, and then I painted these pins too. They hold it in. And I put the bracket on. Put these on too. But it definitely looks pretty good. That's what the controller looks like. And then your plow headlights on and off. So I still have to wire all that in there.